try to understand. Please try to understand. Just to corner a government, ex-government I would say, just to corner the BRS government, please do not risk the future of the state, sir. Do not put the future of the state in dark, sir, is my appeal to you, sir. Earlier also I have spoken and I said, sir, we want the investors to come in the state. We want the development to come in state. We want people to come here, sir, because our state is very beautiful. With this picture, you are sending away the investors, pushing away sir. What is happening, sir? The fear of Hydra is so much the real estate has collapsed. No real estate investor wants to come. Sir, the government might disagree with me, but there are many learned friends over here many of them are into real estate also. Are you able to sell your small plots? Do you have the buyers? No, sir. Please, sir, don't do this.